Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're on FaceTime with Kaydence, and if you can't tell by the screen, we're playing Jailbreak right there. Kate, say hi.
Hi!
Okay, so let's get playing. Okay, so they got a new, oh, if you guys can't tell, I put my thing right down in the bottom right corner. Wow, that was hard. Quarantine's got me messed up. But I put my face cam down in the bottom right corner. I know I had it up on the top.
Same though.
Left corner, but okay. I'm gonna be a prisoner. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, I'm eating a popsicle right now, so that's fun.
Fun, fun.
Okay, it says Kaydence with game. Okay, let's do our little. I always get duplicates and I hate it. Oh my gosh, wait. I've gotten that one like 3 times this week. What's today? Thursday? Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just found out that I need to turn this down. Cute, right?
No, I'm pretty sure today's Friday.
Kids, turn your turn your volume on your iPad down.
Volume down?
Yes, please. Thank you. Okay. What's going on? Where are you?
Callie, come by the police station.
Why?
There's a person on the helicopter. 4, 5, 5.
Okay. Why should I be working with cops?
As long as a police kitty.
Oh my gosh, fireworks. Oh, did we just get shot down? Oh, he saw, oh, he found a briefcase. Yeah, whenever you see fireworks, that's where the briefcase land. Okay, somebody said, this kid's dumb. He doesn't know how to get into the base. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Get off. I'll give you 20K if you help me get it back. What? Get a Jeep, come on. Okay guys, if you didn't know, the Jeep is in here and it's like the best car ever.
I know, and it's for free.
Yeah, like you don't even have to buy it. Like, you know how like good of a deal that is? Like, how are we supposed to get out?
That ramp. Isn't there a ramp?
I thought there was.
I thought there was too.
Oh, he's got a key. It's okay, guys.
Can you help us? He said get in.
Bro, you open the gate.
You open the gate?
Dude. He would like the Jeep.
Dude, this kid.
Are we stuck?
He said he can spawn it.
Okay. Okay. Dude, see how much easier that was? Oh my god, get off us. I died. I died. I'm at school. What do you think about the new update?
The new update? Okay. I'm not like, oh my gosh, like I'm not like, I wouldn't say.
It's the best, because it's not.
Mm-hmm.
Can you get me? Where are you?
I'm still in the alien area. I'm trying to.
Oh, okay, that was easy. Oh, I didn't grab a gun. That was stupid. Hop in. No. Let's go. Go. Kids, kick him out. Lock it, lock it. Oh, he was
He
gonna.
has a key card.
Yeah, he wanted to go to the bank. Just
We'll
meet him
meet
there.
him there.
Guys, if you didn't know, there's a gun in the bank, and it's like really cool. Where are you going? Okay. Oh, it's closed. Well, yeah.
Okay, we can camp here until. Yeah, we can just camp it out. Is that kid back? Yes, he's back.
This is like pineapple. I love this.
Is that a cop? No, it's a cop.
Well, unlock it so I can get in.
Oh, shoot.
No, there was no cop.
Yeah, there was. Okay. We'll go back around, though. We'll do like a circle. See? I think that one guy got arrested.
He did.
He did.
Okay. Oh my god, because we said we were camping out the bank. Oh my god, we're stupid.
I love that. Okay, you want to go to power plant maybe? Or train.
It's about to end.
Yeah.
See, somebody said go to bank again, so just go.
Okay. So there's a freaking cop. Oh shoot, I don't have guns.
Me either.
Okay.
Oh yeah, bank does open at 12.
Oh yeah. It opens at 12. We're kind of all depending on these guys because we don't have guns.
Well, we can get one in there.
Oh yeah.
Just stay here.
Okay. Please have that on the top. Okay. This kid's punching me. Stop.
Kaydence, cop.
Shoot. Callie! Callie! No! We need Jeep again. We need Jeep.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe, because it doesn't disappear if I go into another vehicle that I drive, it disappears, but if I don't, I'm
Mhm.
pretty sure it doesn't. So do you want to try to drive maybe, and then
Yeah.
we'll try to go back to the bank to get the Jeep. But if not, I don't know.
Mhm. Cap bounty is 7,000.
I think we could do that.
Mhm.
Say cop, say cop, say cop, say cop, say cop. Oh no. I'm gonna try to take a look at this kid. Let's just try. Dude, this kid, stop moving.
Got it. Come on.
Got it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. That was easy work.
You can have a gun too. My favorite one.
Pistol.
Mhm.
This one kid kept pushing me.
We should have just
Okay.
stayed in the car. Jeez, we're just.
So you drive it, and then I'll.
Okay.
Stop
I
at
don't
bank
know how
real
much
quick.
time we have left because I only have 15 minutes. So guys, if this runs out, we'll make a part 2. So yeah. Let me check my.
Oh yeah, because I'm still gonna. Well, if you want to play Blackbird.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If you want to see us play Bloxburg, we're also gonna do that too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go find the car, the Jeep.
Yeah, the Jeep. That's my favorite car in this game.
I know, right?
And it's like fast and it's like.
No.
Okay,
Okay,
it's fine.
kids. This guy. Why won't it let me out?
You can help him out. Yeah,
Get the gun right here.
Oh yeah.
There's the gun right there, guys, if you didn't know. Oh, it's like an easy one. Oh, he just got hurt. I need to look at me. Police.
Shoot. Are you kidding me? That kid just left. Are you kidding me?
Shoot.
Callie!
I got arrested.
Oh my gosh. No, and we had a chance to get the Jeep.
Dang it.
Okay, let's try to find that cop maybe again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, and then we'll show you the gun in the museum too, because there's one in the museum and it's a pretty good one too.
It's the revolver, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, look at these little lemonheads.
Cops. Okay, hey, if I get you, can you not arrest me? Maybe, like, you know, just be equal buddies. So maybe you won't arrest me. Oh, he just died.
Got it.
You got your key card?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get
From
one.
the same
Where's
guy.
that one? From the same kid? Oh,
Yeah.
easy. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh, that kid's like. No! Are you kidding me? A little. Please break me out. Please break me out. Think. Oh, or not. I want the key card! What are you talking about? I rage.
Okay, we can just sneak out like through the vents. No,
Oh,
there's
yeah.
only one bounty right now, and it's still the same girl. Where is you at? Are you already up?